Hi my beautiful people, mambo vipi? So welcome again to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share so that we can learn Swahili together. So today we are going to continue with the example of verbs in a Swahili sentences. So as we had yesterday, we had multiple sentence which we see different kind of verbs like teach, win, finish and clean. So today we are going to continue to see the examples of verbs in a Swahili sentence. So here we have a sentence number 1 which says nitaleta sharubati baadaye. Nitaleta sharubati baadaye. This is I will bring the juice later. So here we can see the word bring is a verb and also the word later is also a verb in Swahili. Sentence number 2 we have yeye hapendi sana kujieleza. Yeye hapendi sana kujieleza. So we can see eleza, this is the verb, and the English version is he doesn't like to explain himself much. So we can see the verb explain. Also we're going to sentence number 3 which is wao wanapenda kupanga vitabu maktaba. Wao wanapenda kupanga vitabu maktaba. They like to arrange the books in the library. Sentence number 4 is sisi tunapenda kuagiza chakula mgahawani. Sisi tunapenda kuagiza chakula mgahawani. We prefer to order food in the restaurant. So this is examples we have for today. So bye for now.